Greetings, tech aficionados. Today we're delving into the latest excitement surrounding Samsung's upcoming marvels, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6. Rumor has it they'll hit stores as soon as July 10, featuring the lightning-quick Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. Let's delve into the dynamic world of these foldable innovations. Diverse color palette. Renowned insider Evan Blass unveils the captivating array of color choices for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6. From blue, mint, yellow, to silver shadow for the Fold 6, and pink, navy, and silver shadow for the Flip 6, there's a hue for every preference. Exclusive online variations in white, crafted black, and even peach for the Flip 6 cater to those seeking something distinctive. Sneak peek into cutting-edge technology. Leaked promotional materials offer us a glimpse of the technological marvels of the Fold 6 and Flip 6. Sleek edges and the lightning-fast Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor ensure a blend of style and high performance. With 25W wired and 15W wireless charging capabilities, coupled with NFC and Wi-Fi 7, seamless connectivity is guaranteed. Balancing innovation and expectations. While Samsung pledges larger displays and advanced AI software, rumors suggest stagnant camera specifications for the Fold 6. In an era where cameras hold significant importance, this choice could elicit varied reactions among tech enthusiasts. Navigating established territories. Opting for familiar camera specifications may uphold consistency, but might also leave some yearning for groundbreaking camera innovations. It's a delicate balance between pushing boundaries and sticking to proven strategies. Alpro, thank you for joining us on Future Phone Flash. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts below. Until next time, keep embracing the future with us.